Now, the state objects are read-only. We cannot modify the state objects in the store. That means we cannot modify the data in the store directly. Those are read-only access. So if you want to modify the data, then we need to do some events from the user interface. Those are called actions. So actions are nothing but the events from the user interface to modify the data in the store. For example, if you click the button, if I want to add a user, I click the button. When I click the button, add user button, I want to modify I want to create a new data in the store. Then for this event, they call it an action. Action is nothing but one object which has the action has the two things. What is the action type and what is the value passing? What is the action type? So based on the action type, we can modify or we can add the data in the store. But to modify the data, to modify the state of the application using the actions, we cannot directly do. In the middle, we have one reducer. Reducer, what is the reducer? Reducer is like a storekeeper. Reducer is like a storekeeper of the application. So storekeeper of the Redux. So here store is the data, is condensed data, reducer data keeper. If you want to modify it, if you want data in the store, we cannot do directly. First, you need to call an action. So that the action goes to reducer type function. So its function takes what is the action type, what is the value they are passing. For example, the action type is new user. So based on the action type, so it has the this is the action type. So that means it has it adding some data to the store. So adding the data to the store, then new state is created and it will return. At the same, if you modify the data of the store, we need to create another action type like update user like that. So based on the action type, either we can modify, we can add the data to the store through the reducer. If you want to get the data, we use a get state functions in the reducer, in the Redux. So this is the whole about the Redux, introduction of the Redux. So Redux, what is the Redux? What is the store? So Redux is the centralized. Redux is the JavaScript library to manage the application state. What is the store? Store is the centralized data of the application. What is the state? State is the data object in the store. What is the reducer? Reducer is a function, is like a gatekeeper of the store to add or modify data state objects. Action, based on the action is an event from the user interface. Based on the action value, reduce